only road which is access to the home for the aged, and it needs to be done in priority. That is why sir was after the panchayat, after the authorities to get it done on priority, but due to lockdown it was pending because no labours could be called due to social distancing and all, and that's why we could not get it done in urgent basis.
Madam, किती beautification करपाचे?
Yeah, beautification kortilen. We are going to have a nice senior citizen sit out which is going to be done with pavers and all. So that is our future plan.
Madam, what about the toilet that is restricted?
Toilet, actually the toilet what is put over here, it was operational, but due to the same reason, because of the cyclone effect, the waves hit and some of the plumbing got damaged. So now repair work is going on, and but the position of the toilet which is now at the moment, we are trying to shift it somewhere else where it cannot, it's not going to be affected on the beach side. So that is a basic thing what we have to do. And this toilet is also required because there is no changing room in Bogmalo, there is no toilet in Bogmalo. So this is one necessity which we want, and on priority we have already got in touch with the land owner, and Sir Movin is going to take care of it, and he is also after with the toilet. But first priority we are getting the road done with the retaining. On temporary we are starting next week, and then the procedure is going to be done very fast. Actually our last year in November 25th when a cyclone passed Goa, that is the time our damage zala, and from that time onwards Sir Movin is and coordinating with us, and आम्ही पंचायत सरालाइन coordinate जायन procedure चालू हाल्लो. Procedure जावच्या टायमार deadline आमकां April end पासून complete करपाची हाल्ली आमी. We were in a full swing to get it done, but we are with the beautification and the retaining wall. But due to lockdown, this work was pending. We have got all the authorities' permissions, and the temporary work I'm starting in next week. Was from CRZ, the permission what is given, CRZ has recommended us and given us a suggestion that if Tetra Pods are fixed over here, if they are put over here, it's going to be a lifetime solution. And we agreed to that, but the expense is going to be little higher. But still sir said whatever the expense is, he is ready to bear it, but get the work done as per that nobody should get affected, and it should be a permanent solution.